Today, I'm going to show you how to generate stunning AI images for free using Stable Diffusion AI. First, go to the Stable Diffusion AI website. Once you're there, you'll see the dashboard. On the dashboard, click the button that says Generate AI Image for free. Next, you'll see a text box asking, what image do you want to generate? Here, I typed, fluffy white cat with blue eyes. Just enter whatever image you want to create. Below that, there's a negative prompt box. This is optional, so I left it blank. After that, you can choose the image aspect ratio, like 9:16, 1:1, or 4:5, depending on your needs. Then, scroll to the Style section. You can pick any style you like, such as Asian photography, fantasy art, or more. Now, click the Generate button. After a few seconds, your AI-generated image will appear. If you don't like it, simply click Regenerate. Once you're happy with the image, just click the Download button, and that's it. Your image is ready, fast and easy.